Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Ersha Hasbi. You can call me Ersha or Hasbi or
Okay, I'm turned at the party for a pussy boy and you get burnt.
Mbappe. I am now a student at Bandung State Polytechnic majoring informatic engineering. Before taking education at Bandung State Polytechnic, I'm schooled at elementary school 11 Sarijadi, then at junior high school 1 Parongpong, and then at vocational high school 11 Bandung. I am an honest, disciplined person and can keep trust, inshallah. I want to follow four traits that Rasulullah Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam has. I have competence in the fields of sports, religion, and also computer. My career prospect, I want to be a useful person for this nation and country. My hobby is playing football. If you open my heart, 50% is about football.
Sok aneh. Jeung goreng. Buat air aku batur aja. Anjir jadi JJ euy. Bila emang goreng.
Apart from that, I also like reading because books are a window knowledge. I am first child of two siblings. And this is my little brother. His name is Muhammad Abdul Ghifari. He's currently 5 years old. Come with me to my father. Okay, this is my father. His name is Hasanuddin. He is currently 45 years old. And the last one is the most beloved. This is my mom. Her name is Sulastri. She is currently 40 years old. Okay, and now I will describe the greatest of all time football player, Cristiano Ronaldo. Okay, physical description. Height and build. Cristiano Ronaldo stands at approximately 187 centimeters and has a well-toned muscular physique. His physical fitness is exceptional, with a strong upper body and powerful leg, and an athletic build that contributes to his agility and speed on the field. Facial features. Cristiano Ronaldo has a sharp jawline, high cheek and bones, and a well-defined facial structure. His eyes are dark brown and he often sports a well-groomed hairstyle, which he changes frequently but is typically short on the sides and longer on top. His defined areas and lean body have become iconic, often seen in photos, hoods, or when he celebrates a goal by removing his shirt. His overall look is polished and meticulous, reflecting his attention to detail. Okay, Ronaldo is famous as a player who scores a lot goals. Okay, The following is his career and journey and his goals. Sporting Lisbon 2002 until 2003, 5 goals. 31 Ronaldo played one full season at Sporting before moving to Manchester United. And the second is Manchester United 2003 until 2009, 118 goals. 292 matches during his first spell at Manchester United, Ronaldo developed into one of the world's best players, helping the team win 3 Premier League titles and 1 Champions League title for Manchester United. And the third is Real Madrid, 2009 until 2018, 450 goals in 438 matches in Real Madrid over 9 seasons. He averaged more than 1 goal per game and led the team to 4 Champions League titles. It's amazing. And then in Juventus 2018 until 2021, 101 goals in 134 matches at Juventus, Ronaldo continued his prolific scoring, netting over 100 goals in 3 seasons and helping the Juventus win several domestic titles. And then Manchester United again in 2021 until 2022, 27 goals in 54 matches in Manchester United. Ronaldo remained one of the top scorers despite the team's underperformance. And the last is Al Nassr 2023 until present. 26 goals as of October 2023, 33 signs moving to Al Nassr. Ronaldo has continued to score consistently despite playing in a less competitive league compared to Europe. Okay, total goals in club until 2023 is 727 goals. In Portugal national team is 127 goals. Ronaldo is all-time Portugal all-time scores. Okay. Thus, Cristiano Ronaldo has scored 854 in club and country. Ronaldo professionalism is one of his key characteristics. He sets high standards for himself and maintains a strict lifestyle to ensure he stays at the peak of his game, including maintaining a disciplined diet and fitness routine. Ronaldo's combination of physical prowess, relentless ambition, and charismatic personality has helped solidify him as one of the greatest football of all time. The GOAT! Okay, this is my favorite motorcycle. This motorcycle is the motorcycle that accompanied me since I entered vocational high school. A million memories are inside this thing. This is my 1997 Yamaha Krypton motorcycle. I named my bike Jaguar. A little history about my classic motorcycle. In the 80s until 90s era, Yamaha was famous for its two-stroke motorcycle. Yamaha at that time not only produced sports bikes, but also plunged into the dark motorcycle class at that time. As regulations began to take in to stock motorcycle emissions, Yamaha Indonesia then introduced the Krypton in the four-stroke engine duct segment. This is because entering the third millennium, two-stroke exhaust emissions are becoming increasingly difficult to meet the minimum air pollution. Yamaha used to be successful in two-stroke duct segment by launching several models. The Yamaha Sigma, Alpha 2R, Force 1, and F1ZR were very popular and became idols in their time. By launching the Krypton in 97, this model became the forerunner of Yamaha working on the mass pro version of the four-stroke engine in Indonesia. I really love this bike. Accompanies me in all conditions of my life. Whether I'm happy or grieving, I hope I will continue to keep and take off my bike until I grow old. Okay. Batang has a population that consists of various ethnicities, with the majority being Japanese. The people of Batang are known for their friendliness and hospitality, as well as their rich traditions and culture. Batang has several interesting tourist attractions, such as Sewa Beach, Tambiti, agrotourism, and Candi Asu. There are also historical sites such as the tomb of Sunan Kalijaga, which attracts visitors. The atmosphere in Batang is a blend of tranquil rural life and bustling urban activities. The city is surrounded by beautiful natural scenery such as mountains and rice fields, providing a refreshing ambience. The people of Batang also greatly value tradition, with many cultural events held throughout the year. Batang has a tropical climate with two seasons, the rainy season and the dry season. The average temperature ranges to 25 to 30 Celsius with relatively high rainfall during the rainy season. Transportation in Batang is quite good, with adequate road access and public transportation service such as buses and motorcycle taxis or ojek. The city has also train station that connects Batang to major cities Semarang and etc. Batang is famous for its local culinary delight, such as soto Batang, a soup dish made with chicken or beef served with rice and special spice. Is tahu spis. Additionally, there is tahu petis, which consists of fried tofu served with a sweet and savory petis sauce. Kue lepet, made from glutinous rice and coconut, is also a popular traditional snack in the area. Batang is located on the northern coast of Java Island, surrounded by mountains to the south. Its strategic location makes Batang an important trade route between the northern and southern coasts. Some important landmarks in Batang include the Batang Grand Mosque and the statue of General Sudirman. These landmarks symbolize the city's identity and are frequently visited by locals and tourists alike. And then How to get there? Batang can be accessed by land via private vehicle or public transportation. Okay. Okay everyone, the next I will describe the place. The place is London. In London, there is a football team that I am proud of that team. The team is Tottenham Hotspur. Okay? London is a global city with a highly diverse population, consisting of various ethnic, cultural, and linguistic backgrounds. Its inhabitants are known as Londoners. Okay, next, tourism spot in London. London boasts many iconic tourist attractions, such as Big Ben, the Tower of London, Buckingham Palace, and the British Museum. These landmarks draw millions of visitors annually. Okay, the atmosphere in London is incredibly diverse, ranging from the busty and modern city center to historic areas and tranquil green parks. London combines the vibrancy of a big city with the traditional charm of England. Additionally, London is home to several world-renowned football clubs such as Arsenal, Chelsea, Tottenham, Fulham, West Ham, Brentford, Crystal Palace, and many more club football in London. The atmosphere around the stadiums is electric, with fans from all over the city and beyond coming to support there. The rivalry between these clubs adds to the unique and passionate football culture that is deeply embedded in the city's identity. Each club stadium, like Stamford Bridge for Chelsea or Emirates Stadium for Arsenal or Tottenham Hotspur Stadium for Tottenham Hotspur, becomes a lively hoop of excitement, especially during big games. Weather of London. Weather is often unpredictable. Yes, the city is known for its cloudy skies and light rain, especially in autumn and winter, although summers can be warm with pleasant temperatures. Okay, the next is means of transportation in London. London has an efficient public transportation system, including the famous London Underground, buses, trains, and the iconic black cabs. The city's public transportation is one of the best in the world. London is many food, offers a wide variety of food from around the world, reflecting its diversity. You can enjoy classic dishes like fish and chips, afternoon tea, as well as international cuisine such as Indian and Asian dishes. Okay, next maybe geographical features in London. London lies on the banks of River Thames, which divides the city into two parts. The city is relatively flat but has many large parks, such as Hyde Park and Regent's Park. Okay, next is landmark. Some of the most famous landmarks in London include Tower Bridge, the London Eye, and Ter Abbey. These buildings are symbols of the city and major tourist attraction. Okay, the last one about London. How to get to London? London can be reached via several major international airports, such as Heathrow, Gatwick, and Stansted. There is also Eurostar train service connecting London to various European cities. Okay,